Hi guys, welcome to this crochet course for beginners. I am Lenka and I am the one behind Happy Heartsy. I'm also a crochet pattern designer and I have over 1500 sales on my Etsy. Feel free to find more information about me on my blog happyheartsy.com. In this course, you will learn over 10 stitches, how to read crochet patterns and charts, and also some crochet theory. Also, for the whole course, you can find a printable version for each stitch with the written patterns, crochet charts, and also photo tutorials step by step. And by the end of this crochet course, you will create your own blanket. Something like this. Also, for this crochet course, I created a Facebook group where we can all connect and you have my full support. You can share your concerns, feedbacks, and your progress. So now let's talk about what are the benefits of crocheting. First, it helps you to reduce depression, anxiety, insomnia, stress, and also the risk of Alzheimer's by 30 to 50%. Second, it is also well known that crocheting is the cheapest therapeutic session other than buying yarns, but it's different kind of hobby, so it doesn't matter. Third, it's also a post-apocalyptic skill. You never know when it can happen. You can always trade some crochet products for other services and goods. You can make some traps for the animals. You never know when it can happen. Fourth, it can turn downtime into a productive time. It's a huge warning. It's highly addicted. Fifth, it feels so good when you finish a project and you can proudly say, hey, I made it. And also, what's more than giving your loved ones a handmade gift from you by your hand with love. So this crochet course is perfect for you if you know only a couple stitches, if you don't know how to read the patterns and the charts, and you would like to level up your crochet skill. So I hope that I'm gonna see you in this crochet journey with me, and happy crocheting!